What is up, guys? My name is Hassan and welcome back to my journey in the stock market. So today we're going to give you guys a quick overview on how my portfolio was doing the last 1 month, and I'm going to give you guys an update on the stocks that I'm holding and how are they going. As always, before we continue, I have to give you a quick disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor, nor do I know your financial situation. I am not responsible for any of your gains or losses in the stock market. My suggestions are only suggestions. That does not mean you go out and buy these stocks. It is just a place for you to start your own due diligence. And even though I say some company I recommend this is doing well, but that doesn't mean you go out and buy these stocks based solely on my suggestions. It's just a place for you to start your own due diligence. All right, so let's get started. So you can see the date here. My last trading date, February 22, 2019. And I'm up about 2.73%, about $194. In the last 1 week, I'm up 4%, almost $300. 1 month, I'm up 8%, $578. And then the last 3 months, I'm up. Okay, in the last 3 months, I'm up 5.39%. So as always, we're going to go from my largest holding to my smallest holdings. And up number 1 is Baozong, which is pretty much the Shopify of China. Currently holding 52 shares. I'm very heavy on this because it's my number 1 choice. Almost 26% of my portfolio, which I don't recommend anybody having this big of a portion in your account for one company, which in the long run I'm going to be adding money, so eventually this number will decrease as I continue to add more money. So I have 52 shares, 26% of my portfolio, average cost 36.18, and in the last 3 months I'm up almost 9.7%, almost 10%. So we're going to go to my number 2, High Crush Partners. I do not recommend this company. Stay away as far as possible. It has the worst management ever. They just played us shareholders. Have 204 shares. Almost a good reasonable 11%. I'm happy with my 11% portfolio. Average cost 10.65, and in the last 3 months I got totally destroyed in this company, about almost 38% down. So even though most of my tradings are on a positive gain, but this is one of the very few which I'm down on. So we're going to go on to my AMD, one of my top favorite companies that I have. I actually have more share of this in my other portfolio, which I'm not comfortable sharing because this is my public account that I'm willing to share. So here have 32 shares, about 10.7%, average cost $19.90, almost $20. I'm up almost 23%, 22.7%, and then last 3 months I'm up almost 23%. So we're going to go on to the next one, Micron Technology. I have 11 shares, 6.4% of my portfolio, average cost still really high, $50, but I'm going to hold this company in the long run. So in the last 3 months, I'm up 12.6%. We're going to go on to next, Texas Instrument, one of my other favorite companies that I have. I actually want more share of this, but this company just haven't had the fund or the opportunity to buy at a lower cost, which I have 4 shares, average cost $94.75. Portfolio is, portfolio is 5.8%, and then in the last 3 months I'm up 11%, which is about 11.3%. All right, next one, Snap. I've been holding this for a while. 45 shares, 5.9%. My average cost 12, still high, $12.80, but I'm going to be holding on to this for a long time because I use Snapchat. The students I work with uses Snapchat, and I don't see it going away. And it's really big. Snapchat is really big around the world. Even the people from Bangladesh or back home, Asia, a lot of people are in England, a lot of people are using it. So last 3 months, I'm up massive 54%, but overall, I'm still down on this. So last 3 months, 50%. Next holding is Microsoft, another favorite company that I love to own. 3 shares, average cost 101, portfolio size 4.5%. And then the last 3 months, it went up by 5.8%. Next, Fangen, another company, stay away. Don't recommend this. Average cost 3.81. I have 97 shares. Portfolio size 4.4%. And then in the last 3 months, I'm up almost 25%. But still, my average cost is still high at 381. Another company, I love Ford. They pay a nice consistent dividend that I believe will continue. Have 32 shares, 3.8% of my portfolio. I would actually like to add more shares to this. Average cost 10.3. Last 3 months, I'm down about 5%. Let's continue on. Another one, Broadcom. Actually made a video on this, a little bit more in-depth analysis, and let's check it out. Average cost 261, 1 share, 3.7% of my portfolio. Last 3 months, it's up 18%. Nice gains. Next one, Pembina, pretty much is a Canadian pipeline company. Have 6 shares, 3% of my portfolio. Average cost 34.50. In the last 3 months, it's up almost 11%. Guys, this company pays dividend that is monthly dividend. So I love getting my monthly dividend. I want to add more shares, and has a solid fundamental, or has a decent balance sheet. And also, this does not fluctuate with the oil prices. This is a pipeline. No matter what the oil is up, down, I still make money because they're still transporting oil, and everyone's going to get paid on a monthly basis. Next company, as you guys look, I go from my highest value. As I go down the list, it goes down and down in value, or amount of my holding or percentage decreases. So let's continue on. Nvidia, 1 share, solid long-term hold, 2% of my portfolio. And the last 3 months, it's up 6.54%. All right, let's continue on. JCPenney, stay away. Don't recommend it. Even though when I go to JCPenney, a lot of times I do see a lot of customers there. Has my average cost $1.80. 109 shares. Last 3 months, it's actually down 8.8%. Let's continue on. Another company I love, International Papers. 3 shares. Portfolio size 1.9%. Average cost $44. Currently at 46. Last 3 months, it went up by almost 2.9%. Another company I'm looking to add, the balance sheet isn't that great. VET. It is another Canadian oil company. We can see that. Or fossil fuel oil and gas company, North America, Canada. Another cool fact about this company that they pay monthly dividend, and has a dividend rate of almost, this is, even though here it says 5.4, it's not accurate. It's actually a lot higher. If we go to Yahoo Finance, actually the internet is really slow here. Or okay speed. If we look at it, dividend, amazing, $2.10 per year per share, 8.66% currently. Massive dividend. So I only have 4 shares, 1.3% of my portfolio. Average cost $24.98. Last 3 months, it's up almost flat, 0.12%, pretty much flat. Next company, Macy's. Their dividend should come up. I feel like I got this at a bargain. That's why I have it. 4 shares, 1.2, 1.32. Average cost 24.66 last 3 months. It's actually down. That's why I bought it, because it's going down and their PE is really low. Here it says 4.3, pays a 6% dividend. Can't go wrong. Like, and yeah, at the end of the day, everybody's gonna be buying from Macy's. Christmas time comes, holiday season comes, you're gonna go to Macy's, even though we say e-commerce is taking the way, but I don't think Macy's is gonna go away anywhere. All right, so after Macy's, I have JD, 4 shares, 1.4%, $31. Last 3 months, it's up 31%. Next company, General Mills, 2 shares, 1% of my portfolio. Average cost 40 cents last 3 months, went up by 7%. Abbey, pharmaceutical company, 1 share, 1% of my portfolio. 84. I'm actually down on this, but in the last 3 months, it's down 7%. Let's continue on. Venator, stay away from this company again. 11 shares, 0.9% of my portfolio. $8 average share last 3 months. It went up by 5%, but still I don't recommend this. And then that's pretty much it. So I have total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So total of 20 holdings. My portfolio size, 7,290 in the last 3 months. I'm up 5%. So guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button. Show some love, show some support to help me grow this channel. As always, thank you. See you next time.